What's good, fam? It's your boy Dixon. Deuces. Anyway, as I was mentioning before, for some reason, throughout the whole week, the song has been in my spirit. The song says Bon Dieu Fidèle, which is God is faithful. And I wanted to share it. I said, you know what? It's been in my mind, in my heart all week. Let me just sing the song and hope it bless somebody. That's what's more important. So I'll be doing that song. It's not my song. I didn't write the song. I don't know who wrote the song. That has to change, by the way. But anyway, hope you like it. It's called Bon Dieu Fidèle. If you don't like it, just act like you like it anyway. Okay. One, two.
Bon Dieu fidèle, bon Dieu fidèle, ou levez ma lèvre et ou portez fado mio, ou bam la vie, ou sèche de l'eau dans les yeux. Toujours là où c'est bon Dieu fidèle, bon Dieu fidèle, bon Dieu fidèle, pour lever ma lèvre et où porter fado mio. Dans les yeux, ou toujours là, où c'est bon Dieu fidèle, oh, bon Dieu fidèle, bon Dieu fidèle, bon Dieu fidèle, fais ma lèvre et où porter fado. Lord.